Hello and welcome to Kitchen Postcards. It's the peak of summers here in Tucson, and I have been drinking glass after glass of this refreshing Aam Panna made at home. It's really easy, it's quick, it's delicious. I know I say that a lot, but this recipe truly is that. The best part about making your own Aam Panna is that you actually get a little chutney as a bonus. This is the Aam Panna concentrate, and you mix it in water to drink. But while it's sitting in the fridge, you can even have it as a chutney. I am thinking a fresh, soft, warm paratha and a dollop of this chutney to start off a weekend. What do you think? Isn't that delicious? That just sounds so refreshing. So without any delay, I'm going to sip on some Aam Panna and then get started. Follow along and make some Aam Panna. Here in the US, we get these Mexican mangoes which are, red when unripe and they slowly turn yellow and green when they're ripe. I'm going to use a couple of these alpaca mangoes to make my Aam Panna. That's ideally what you want. If you have sweetened and, kind of ripe mangoes, that's fine too. The great thing about Aam Panna is that it becomes like this really nice and thick, jam-like consistency. So you can even use it as a chutney. I love that. Make this delicious, easy summer drink. There's fresh mint in it and it's got a lot of seasoning. You can change it and spice it up as you wish. It's just the perfect kind of sourness that you want in a summer drink. And you must try it while mangoes are still in season.